Setting up your Tangem wallet is a quick and secure way to manage your crypto assets with total control. Tangem is a hardware wallet in the form of a smart card, providing maximum security without the hassle of complex recovery phrases. First, ensure you have a Tangem card and a compatible smartphone. The Tangem Wallet app is available for both iOS and Android, and downloading the official version from the App Store or Google Play is crucial to avoid phishing risks. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Add Wallet. Place your Tangem card near the phone to initiate a connection via NFC. The app will automatically detect the card and display its unique ID. Confirm the connection on both your phone and the card by following the on-screen prompts. The next step is generating your wallet. Tangem wallets do not require a recovery phrase, as all cryptographic keys are securely stored on the card itself. This eliminates the risk of losing your assets due to mismanaged backup phrases. After the wallet is generated, assign a name to your wallet for easy identification. You can now add assets by selecting from supported cryptocurrencies within the app. Each transaction requires card verification by placing it near your phone, ensuring that unauthorized transfers are impossible. The app provides real-time balance updates, transaction history, and advanced security features, including wallet freezing in case of card loss. Using Tangem, you can also export a watch-only version to monitor assets without risking private keys. Tangem supports multiple wallets per card, allowing separation of funds and personal use. With minimal setup and robust security, this Tangem wallet setup guarantees an efficient, secure, and user-friendly crypto management experience. All operations are executed in a few taps, giving peace of mind and full control over your digital assets.